Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. I'm here with a new exciting video where we will discuss about the how you will create the 3D portfolio by using the Next.js and the all of the stuff by using the Next.js application. The official you can use the application to see the portfolio to any company because sometime the portfolio created portfolio by using AI is so much basic, but I will use the Opus 4.8 to create the well-defined and well-designed portfolio. So now we can use the application like Tabit. This platform provides you the every major model free, and I have also discussed in the previous video where we have run all the major models freely, and now I can also tell you how you can download. Just click this button, Windows or which one OS you have, you can download this application, and just not just the apps, it will use the browser, because after downloading when you run this application, you will see the button to log in by using the Google. After that you will see the browser like application, and we will discuss further later after installing the application. Tab get skills. These skills are here in the application like YouTube, Bilibili, ChatGPT, and all other stuffs. If you want to build your own, then you can click this button and build your own skills. Your data stays yours. It means they don't need to use your data for training the AI or models, and to just use locally your data, and they will not need to use this data, like selling your data, training on your reads, and deciding what you see. Okay, and then your agentic web is here. Now after downloading I can open the application like Tabit. Tabit application is now just like a Google, and these are the saved tabs of my Google account. I have downloaded sign in by using the Google. That's why I'm seeing like this, and you can search from the Google as well. And here are the tabs, like you can open your new tabs. Just click to here, and it will create open the another tab. So I can use the model for Opus 4.8. Here I have selected this model. There are so many models like Queen and Longcat, Claude, GLM, and every other stuff, but the Claude Opus is the latest and most powerful model. That's why I will choose this model to create our portfolio. Here is the prompt. I have generated this prompt by using the AI, but I will give you this prompt in the description, like build your animated 3D personal portfolio website using the Next.js 16 router with the following specifications. Here are the specifications, skills, project. You can modify according to your need. So I just copy this prompt and then give to this application. Now downloaded animated portfolio is here. Just double click to unzip this folder and then open in the VS Code. Click to the terminal. If you have a CMD command, then you can open by using your CMD. I just write the code space dot. This is the VS Code command. If you don't have VS Code, then first of all you can download your Node.js application by go to the official site here, and just click to install according to your operating system. After downloading and installing the Node.js, you can go to the official site of VS Code and install this application. And after installing these two applications, you will be able to run your project, and just enter. It will open your project in the VS Code. And now here is the in the bottom, here is the terminal, VS Code terminal, where you will run your project. I just run the npm install to install the packages which we are using in this application, and after that it will be run. The packages are now installed. We can run this application by running this command npm run dev. After running, you can see here it's running on the 3000 port, and I can open the browser and run the localhost 3000 port. Your project is now loading. Here is and the absolute and then awesome 3D portfolio is here. You can see if I can move the mouse, the 3D animated things are also moving by moving this mouse. And if I can scroll down, these other animations are here in the about portion, about section, and I can click to the skills. It will give you the skills. All of the stuff is 3D, and on hover everything is moving and animated by using the Framer Motion. And if you can click to the projects, here are the projects in the green black theme, and I can scroll down, and moreover is work experience. Work experience is here. You can change according to your experience. Then there is only array where you will add your text, and after that you can deploy your application on the Vercel, which is free to deploy the 10 applications currently. Here is the complete project. Just I want to tell you that how you can build your 3D and classic projects by using the AI, and it's totally free. You can install, run, and enjoy. So that's all from my side. We will discuss another project in the next video. Stay with us, like, share, and subscribe my video. Bye bye.